Dino's creative drawing adventure. Hey there, art explorers! Get ready for a roaring good time because today we're diving into the prehistoric world of drawing with Dino! That's right, Dino the dinosaur is here and he's super excited to help us create some amazing cartoon masterpieces. Grab your pencils, crayons, or whatever makes you happy and let's get started. Every great drawing starts with simple shapes. Think circles, squares, triangles, the building blocks of everything. Dino loves circles. Let's draw a big circle. This will be the start of Dino's head. Now let's add a smaller circle inside for his eye. See? Easy peasy. Next, we'll draw a slightly curved line for Dino's back. It's like a gentle hill. Time to give Dino some personality. Let's add a cute little snout. Draw a small oval shape extending from the head circle. Perfect. Now for Dino's eye, let's add a smaller circle inside the first one and colour it in. He's starting to look alive. Don't forget a tiny nostril at the end of his snout. Every dino needs to breathe. Let's give Dino a body. Draw a larger oval shape connected to his head. This'll be his tummy. Make it nice and round. Now let's add some legs. Draw 2 short, sturdy rectangles underneath his body. These are Dino's strong legs for stomping around. No dinosaur is complete without a tail. Let's draw a long pointy triangle extending from the back of his body. This is Dino's awesome tail. It helps him balance. To make it extra special, let's add some small triangles along his back for spikes. These are Dino's cool dino spikes. Roar! Now for the best part, colouring. What colour should Dino be? Maybe green like the jungle or blue like the sky. It's up to you. Let's colour Dino's body a bright, happy green. And maybe his spikes can be a fun, contrasting colour like orange. Don't forget to colour in his eye and snout. Make him pop. Let's give Dino a fun background to play in. How about some tall, leafy trees or maybe a volcano in the distance? Let's draw some simple tree shapes with lots of leaves. And a big round volcano spewing out some pretend lava. Dino doesn't have to be alone. Let's draw some friends for him. Maybe a cute little bird or another friendly dinosaur. Let's draw a small round bird perched on Dino's head. And maybe a baby dino following behind him. Now that we've finished our dino drawing, let's add some final touches. Maybe some extra details on the trees or some clouds in the sky. Let's add some shading to Dino to give him more dimension. And don't forget to sign your name. You're an artist. Congratulations, you've created your very own dino drawing. Give yourself a big pat on the back. You did an amazing job. Dino is so happy to have a new friend. Keep drawing and exploring your creativity. Remember, art is all about having fun and expressing yourself, so keep creating and keep roaring. Thanks for joining Dino on this creative adventure. We'll see you next time for more drawing fun. Bye.